Hello, my dear subscribers. This is just a quick video to tell you that I will be removing the Master VS Code course from my YouTube channel, and I will start recording other types of videos, still related to web development, but probably more interesting to you and everyone else. And the reason for this is that I've spent about 3 months creating this course, and it's still not finished, but hopefully I'll finish the course this year or in January of next year. But from all this work, I just have right now 57 subscribers, and it just doesn't seem to be interesting enough for people to subscribe to my channel and for me to be able to monetize. Because even though I look to provide value, it's an essential part of business to also earn money. So that is why I will be removing the Master VS Code course from the YouTube channel and making it a teachable course, a paid course on Teachable. And I will start creating different kind, I guess a different kind of video, more infotainment, and less just sheer information, which is what you need when you are taking a course. You just need to absorb a lot of information, but it doesn't seem to be working quite well for YouTube, and I hope to provide more value that way and also earn more money. Hopefully I get some sales from my course. So if the course is still on my channel, and if you do find it valuable, if you think that it's something you want to keep, just download it. I'll remove it in about a week, so I guess we are on the 12th. Well, I guess I'm going to keep the course on my channel until the end of the year, but then I'm going to remove it. So you're free to download everything on my YouTube channel, including my whole course, and because from the beginning of next year it's going to be a paid course on Teachable. All right, just a quick update, and see you guys soon.